We've got this Porsche Boxster 981 GTS. This is incredibly rare because it's the 6-speed manual transmission, it being the GTS. The sport steering wheel is an Alcantara, gear selector is an Alcantara, the carbon pack with sports exhaust, the chrono right there. You've got the contrast red stitching with the GTS in red, as well as the seat belts finished with the red and black. And then what I love is the continuity of that touch on the side door mirrors. So details like this look absolutely incredible. Realistically, you've got to admit this is absolutely incredible. Porsche silhouette, what a beauty to look at. Real beauty is this. What it deserves next is a test drive, and let's take it up for a spin. Mileage isn't indicative of the way this looks condition wise, the way it drives and the way it handles. I think this is absolutely sublime and an absolute beauty to drive. In terms of performance numbers, this produces, out of the 3.4 litre naturally aspirated flat 6 Boxster engine, producing 325 brake horsepower, 370 Newton meters of torque, a 0 to 62 miles per hour possible in 5 seconds, and a top speed of 174 miles an hour. But I think this stands in a place of its own is due to the rarity of this manual box. And this is the soft top roof. It's in very good condition. If you're curious on how it opens and closes up, it's probably one of the fastest roofs to open and close. Also, this has the grills there at the bottom and on the side, protecting the condensers. And stylistically, this looks stunning in this jet black metallic. These 20-inch 911 Carrera S alloys. So with the Michelin PS4 S tires with plenty of tread all around. This has got to be one of the rarest cars that we've had at the dealership. And the seat belts, the GTS, the contrast stitching. Berlin makes it an exclusive package. Nothing more than the fact that this is the 981 GTS with a 6-speed manual box. Really the last of a very special breed. This is a nice table to use to show you the paperwork. This has been pretty well maintained, mainly at the main dealer. Also the current owner Paul, he's had it since September 2025, and that's where the record has been at the main dealer. This is the spec list. It goes over into 3 pages, and that's the summary of the service history. We've done a major service on it. It's an invoice there for that service, as well as invoice from 911 Excellence. This is the full printout of everything it's ever had at the main dealer. And MOT certificates. And the V5. And the service book there at the end. And this is us done for showing you everything in regards to this beauty.